Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 29th, 2025. And let's talk canola. Let's take a look at canola. This is the weekly chart of canola. And yeah, it's trading between these two moving averages now. This is the green 50-week moving average, and this above here is the 200-week moving average. Now, I do believe these two moving averages will get tested. I've been anticipating a rally up to that 780, 775, 780, 800 level for quite some time. It has not happened. And the longer it takes to get there, the weaker my conviction is that it will happen. But this chart is interesting to me for a number of reasons. I do believe this 50-week moving average will converge on the price at some point. Now, whether the price comes down to that 50-week moving average, which I hope not, hopefully we can go sideways and this 50-week moving average can come up to the price, but that's trading down here at around 650. The price is hanging around that 700 level for quite a few weeks here now, struggling to get above there. I'm not sure what is going to happen. It's kind of a bit of a no trade zone for me. Let's take a look at the daily chart and see if we can get some more clues here. This daily chart, this green line is the 50-day moving average, and you can see how important this average has been, well, really since June of this year. It's enacted as, I would argue this acted as support, resistance, and been acting as resistance ever since. And well, we've been testing that from last half of this month, from the 17th on. We've been keep battling up against it. At some point, you think these sellers are going to become exhausted and the price can rally higher, but it hasn't happened yet. Let's just turn on some more indicators here. And there's a couple of reasons why we can't get above that level. Well, the 700 level is certainly significantly and psychologically important. And for a variety of reasons, it's a round number, right? Everyone's got their eye on that 700 level. We have that 50-day moving average overhead, which is certainly bringing in some sellers. We also have this light blue line here. This is the anchored volume weighted average price from June 20th, the June 20th high. And every time we get back to that level, the sellers step in. So what does that mean? The anchored volume weighted average price measures the price paid per contract since June 20th on that Friday. So really, outside of 3 days, the average contract holder's been losing money since that period of time. And every time the price gets back to that level, they have a sigh of relief, and they wipe the sweat from their brow, and they sell some shares of canola, or contracts of canola. So really, we keep battling up against it. I think those sellers are starting to become exhausted. At least I hope they are. I look at the RSI, which can, that seems to look like it wants to move higher. It hasn't made new highs yet, but it's kind of looking like it wants to. That might give us some clues to what can happen. But the one thing that gets me nervous here is this could be a head and shoulders pattern form here. It could be a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. It could be, right? And if this 50-day moving average starts rolling over and declining, then that's certainly going to add some bearishness to the market. It's not doing that yet. It's going sideways right now, maybe even trying to rally a little bit or go higher, advance higher. But right now, it's acting as resistance along with that VWAP, along with that $700 round number. Now, what would you do here? If I was a seller here, maybe this is a good place to take some risk off the table. For whatever reasons, if you need to sell some, generate some cash flow. And again, if you do that, then I would be prepared to take out a long position in the futures market. I'd probably do it above 706, above 710, maybe, above 706, maybe. I don't know where the stop would go. Maybe the stop goes down around 684, perhaps below this low. Want to get really safe about it, go down under 680, and that should increase your chances of it not getting stopped. But this could be an area, could be a good idea to take some profits here. I'm not sure, but just if you do, you want to have the tools to replace them on paper above this level. My name is Trent Klarenbach. Sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.